Now, North Korea, there was a question about whether we fear an imminent attack by North Korea.
First was to rescue the economy from imminent collapse. There's no imminent threat to us defaulting on the debt that we owe.
One point, just prior to the election, there was talk that talks might be imminent.
And why do you feel like it's appropriate to move forward without formal authorization from either the United Nations or Congress, particularly given that the British Parliament had an opportunity to vote?
We are still in the planning processes, and obviously consultations with Congress as well as before Congress, because I could not honestly claim that the threat posed by Assad's use of chemical weapons on innocent civilians and women and children posed a imminent direct threat to the United States. I believed it was right, in the absence of a direct or imminent threat to our security, to take this debate to Congress. I believe our democracy is stronger when the President acts with limited the use of drones so they target only those who pose a continuing imminent threat to the United States, where capture is not feasible and there's a near certainty of no civilian casualties. We're transferring detainees to other countries and trying.
As you review how to rein in the National Security Agency, a federal judge said that, for example, the government had failed to cite a single instance in which analysis of the NSA's bulk metadata actually sought an imminent attack.
The command post was in imminent danger of being overrun.
That means taking strikes only when we face a continuing imminent threat, and only where there is no certainty, there is near certainty of no civilian casualties.
Specialist Vorslow realized that detonation was imminent. He then drew the grenade to his body and shielded his squad members.
Countries that think that they can sit on the sidelines and just let the United States do it, that will result in a less effective response, a less speedy response, and that means that people die. And it also means that the potential spread of the disease beyond these areas in West Africa becomes more imminent. And so this is not a situation in which, like a flu, the risks of a rapid spread of the disease are imminent.
And the imminent entry into force of the amended convention on the physical protection of nuclear material is a great achievement.
I believe that we must never hesitate to act when necessary, including unilaterally when necessary, against any imminent threats to our